Hey everyone, do you want to learn how to create an outfit changer in Roblox Studio? In this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily assign outfits to players with the press of a button. So let's get started. Also, I just want to quickly mention, if you want to support me and download all of the tutorial files, you can become a patron by using the link in the description. Okay, so first of all let's go over to Avatar, let's click on Rig Builder and let's select Block Avatar. We're going to move it over here. Now let's go over to the Explorer and insert a proximity prompt into the rig. Let's select the proximity prompt, go to the properties, and for example we can change the action text to say change outfits, and we can also change the hold duration to half a second, so 0.5. That should be good. Now let's close the rig inside of the Explorer and let's go over to server script service. Now let's insert a script. Let's remove this right here. So first of all, let's create some variables. So local insert service equals game get service insert service. Now we're going to create some variables for the rig. So local rig equals game dot workspace find first child rig. Now let's create a variable for the prompt inside of the rig, so local prompt equals rig find first child proximity prompt. Now we're going to create a variable which stores the clothes that the player will get, so local clothes equals braces, and then we're going to say pants equals, and for now let's just say 0, shirts equals 0. We'll fill this in later. Now let's create a function which gives clothes to a certain character that we pass into the function. So local function apply, and it takes one argument and it's the character that we need to apply the clothes to, so character. Now let's actually write some code that puts the clothes into the character. So local pants equals character find first child pants or instance.new pants, and we want to insert this pants into the character. So this will pretty much check if the character already contains pants. We won't need to create new ones, and if this is false we can create new pants and put them inside of this character. We can do the same for a shirt, so local shirt equals character find first child shirts or instance.new shirts character. Now let's check if the pants that are, if we actually supplied some pants in this variable, or if we actually supplied some shirt in this variable. So if clothes dot pants is not equals to null, then pants dot pants templates equals insert service load assets clothes dot pants dot pants dot pants templates, and we can do the same for the shirts. So we can just create another if statement. If clothes dot shirts is not equals to null, then shirts dot shirts templates equals insert service load assets clothes dot shirts templates. So this will check if if there are pants, then we will change the templates on the current pants in the player and change the templates to the new pants that we load using insert service. So now we go outside of this function. First, when the game actually loads up, we also want to add these clothes to the rig that we created. So this is really simple to do. We can just say apply rig. And we also want to run this function whenever the prompt is triggered. So we can say prompt.triggered function player. And then we can apply it to the player. So apply player dot character. So now let's actually fill in the correct information here. So if you need to find some shirts or pants, you can just go to Roblox Marketplace. You can go to clothing and let's select classic shirts. Here you will find all sorts of shirts and you can just pick whatever you want. You can also go to classic pants if you want to find some pants. So let me just go find some. Okay, so I found these pants. We can go to the URL and we can copy the ID right here. So let's go over to Studio. Okay, so let's remove this. And we can paste the ID that you just copied. Now let's find these shirts. Okay, so this is a shirt that I found. So let's go to the URL and let's copy the ID right here. Now let's go back to Studio. Now we can remove this and we can paste the ID we just copied. And like this we filled in the correct clothes, the correct IDs. So we can close the script with the little close icon here. Okay, so now let's test out the game. So click on the play icon, let it load. And if we walk over to the rig and we hold E, our outfit that we just chose actually shows up on our character. And as you can see, it works. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.